Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit technical but is super interesting if you're into construction, engineering, or just curious about the roads we drive on every day. We're going to explore the differences between tarmac and asphalt. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who wants to know more about the world around you, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First, let's take a trip down memory lane. Tarmac, short for Tarmac Atom, has a fascinating history. It was invented in the early 20th century by a British engineer named Edgar Purnell Hooley. He discovered that mixing tar with crushed stones created a durable and smooth surface, perfect for roads and runways. This innovation revolutionized road construction and became widely used across the UK and beyond. Asphalt, on the other hand, has been around for much longer. The ancient Babylonians used a form of asphalt to build their roads, but the modern version we know today was developed in the late 19th century. It's made from a mixture of aggregates like gravel and sand, bound together with asphalt binder, which is derived from petroleum. This material quickly became popular for its durability and flexibility, making it ideal for modern road construction. Now, let's talk about how these materials are made. Tarmac is produced by heating tar and mixing it with crushed stones. The mixture is then laid on the road surface and compacted to create a smooth, durable layer. This process requires careful control of temperature and mixing ratios to ensure the final product is strong and long-lasting. Asphalt production is a bit different. Aggregates are heated and mixed with asphalt binder in large plants. The resulting mixture is then transported to the construction site, where it's laid and compacted using specialized equipment. The key to asphalt success is its flexibility and ability to withstand heavy traffic and varying weather conditions. So, what are these materials used for? Tarmac was originally designed for roads and runways, and it's still used in some older infrastructure. However, its use has declined in recent years due to the rise of asphalt. Asphalt is now the go-to material for road construction, parking lots, and even some roofing applications. Its durability, flexibility, and ease of maintenance make it a favorite among engineers and contractors. There are a few common misconceptions about tarmac and asphalt. One of the biggest is that they are the same thing. While they are similar in some ways, they have different compositions and properties. Another misconception is that tarmac is more durable than asphalt. In reality, modern asphalt is designed to be more flexible and resistant to weather and traffic, making it a better choice for most applications today. Did you know that asphalt can be recycled? Old asphalt pavement can be ground up and reused in new construction projects, making it an environmentally friendly choice. This not only reduces waste, but also conserves natural resources. Another interesting point is the impact of weather on these materials. Tarmac can be more susceptible to damage from water and temperature changes, while asphalt is designed to withstand these challenges better. This makes asphalt a more reliable choice for areas with harsh climates. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed learning about the differences between tarmac and asphalt. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.